that a unit?
A-class, what action? How you wet so? How you wet so? How you? Just get the clothes that you have on is yours and
reaction.
What's up, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I'm here with mommy. What's up?
Hi.
Yes.
I think you know.
Anyways, so this song just came out. You understand me? It's been promoting for a cool little minute, and I'm like, I'm here recording. Let's get her in a video. So it is called Wet Girl Thing.
You mean they're in water or something like that?
I don't know. It just came out. I don't know what it is. So the artist is called Squid Ft Playboy Gyasi. I've never read to a song from these guys before either, so I'm not sure what's going on.
Okay.
So we finna see what's going on for this 2 minutes and 52 seconds. You ready?
Yeah.
Press play.
a happy life.
What's that a unit?
A-class, what action? How you wet so? How you wet so? How you? Just get the clothes that you have on is yours and let me
Come on, man. We're watching the video.
see. I no hole in your drawers and your pussy good, your man could fuck raw and some gal hold dry but not yours and because when you bend down, it's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me. How your pussy wet so you walking water? You want my rocket in your belly like NASA? You want dread, eh? You like Rasta? When your man prick dead, you no charge. I wanna dive in it. I wanna.
You gonna dive? What? Whoa.
How do you?
Press the back one. Look, that one right there. That.
This?
Yeah. Is it moving? Okay, yeah. Close the door.
Setting.
Woo. What was that showing you?
The tattoos.
Tattoo. Yeah, it's tattoo.
Oh my god.
What was
There's
someone
some faces.
I don't know.
This person's brave, whoever did that.
It's soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me. How your pussy wet so you walking water? You want my rocket in your belly like NASA? You want dread, eh? You like Rasta? When your man prick dead, you no charge. I wanna dive in it. I wanna dive in it. It's like a super soaker when you're riding it. Yes, I wanna dive in it. I wanna dive in it. It's like a super soaker when you ride. Cause when you bend down, it's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me. Yes, girl, the man that you fucking is yours and that shoes on your foot from the store and when the 2 rungs done you want more and when you bend, wet up the floor. I wanna dive in it. I wanna dive in it. It's like a super soaker when you're riding it. Yes, I wanna dive.
Come on now, mommy. You was once young.
I was once young.
Okay.
Yes, that's true.
Okay.
Those were the days.
Okay. So we watching. we watching.
I wanna dive in it. It's like a super soaker when you ride it. Because when you bend down, it's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down. Just get the clothes that you have on is yours and let me see. I no hole in your drawers and your pussy good, your man could fuck raw and some gal hold dry but not yours and.
Sounds record.
That looks so disgusting.
Cause when you bend down, it's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me. How your pussy wet so you walking water? You want my rocket in your belly like NASA? You want dread, eh? You like Rasta? When your man prick dead, you no charge. I wanna dive in it. I wanna dive in it. It's like a super soaker when you're riding it. Yes, I wanna dive in it. I wanna dive in it. It's like a super soaker when you're riding it.
Nothing.
Okay.
When you bend down.
Word?
It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me.
Look at her.
When you bend down, it's like a soak in me down when you bend down. It's like a soak in me down when you
Her booty cheeks are like so tiny. It's like
They're loose though.
bend down. It's like a soak in me down.
You need to do this one.
that one, you done. Okay, good. But that one, no. That one we're not doing.
Oh my
Q&A
God.
time.
I don't have any answers.
No answers. So, what struck you the most in this video?
Let's try the tattoo house. Anybody that put those tattoo on the house, they're brave. You made a decision on and tattooing someone.
Yeah, man, tattoos? No, you're not gonna do it. Just a simple question, man.
My mother would skin me. She would cut out those tattoos. So
I ain't got none. I ain't.
So she drive the fear of God in me from I was a child.
Yeah?
Yes.
Grandma?
Yes.
I never know that.
So I could never get any tattoo.
What else now?
Should have cut out the past.
So you was wow. So you tell me, so when you young, mommy, when you was young, you never been to like a water party or anything, and you was dancing and gyrating according to your older folks?
Yes, I've been to. We had pool parties, of course.
Okay, so why was you so surprised at what was going on now?
Listen, I went to an all-girls school. What?
You continue, you said listen, so you thought you was coming with a story time. What happened?
Me and my friends, we used to have some parties.
At school?
No.
Oh
It
no.
must be at school.
You said all girls school. No?
No, so we used to have parties. So we used to have girls. So we go out and party. So we have parties.
Okay, so based on these artists now and them chicken chests, like.
That's why I was asking if it was some young guys, because they look like some pretty young boys, like maybe younger than you or your age group.
We're probably in the same age group, but look at the tattoos now. Look how me skinny. Make a ball like a little girl.
Well, why would you want to put on tattoo in the first place? Because
Look at the chains.
yeah, it look like some. Yeah, basically it fit the thing that he has because it's costume, carnival looking thing.
But yeah, it was cool. It was alright.
It was, but that one there would have show up everything to the world and the tattoo house. That tattoo.
So the one to the
was
world and the
brave.
tattoo.
The tattoo artist that was brave. I'm afraid him get poop in the face.
Chain mommy say you're showing everything to the world. Okay? The same. Who else did it? I try to find it, you know. I don't know which part of it, but you know what? It's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss and mom. She just got off work and I'm like, hello, you coming to a video right now?
I'm tired, so.
You're tired, so thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You see, my job easy.
Very easy. I've been a minute.
Anyways.
12 hours.
I'm sorry. Thank you for being in my video.
You're welcome. Bye. Bye.
That's my mommy, y'all. My mommy, yes, my own. So, anyways, see y'all in a minute. Y'all know I'm not here right now. I'm currently in Florida right now, but the reaction boss continues to work. Peace out.